This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying materials and the jig fit your device, because misalignment ruins the cut. Once confirmed, power the machine and set the manufacturer's temperature and vacuum presets. This establishes stable adhesion and cutting conditions. Next, clean the screen thoroughly with alcohol, use a dust remover, and don gloves to avoid oils. Make sure to load the protector film into the feed tray aligned to the guide marks. This first alignment determines the entire process accuracy. Now you calibrate to ensure the cut matches the device. Run the auto calibration or enter precise X/Y offsets. Calibration reduces edge chipping and alignment error. Then align the protector's registration marks to the camera, because optical alignment is how the cut follows the device outline. Once aligned, perform a quick test cut on scrap film to check fit. If the test shows issues, adjust blade pressure, cutting speed, or add passes. These settings control clean edges and hole accuracy. Finish by transferring and applying the cut protector. You use the carrier backing to position it, then lower from one edge while smoothing out bubbles with a squeegee. This prevents trapped dust and wrinkles. Trim any excess film with a precision cutter and follow adhesive curing steps if specified. If you see misalignment, persistent bubbles, or edge lift, reheat gently to relax the adhesive, peel and reposition, or go back to recut after recalibration. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.